Oh hey guys, this is White Dude and we're going to play I forgot the what the hell? Oh, it's a doggy. Oh, let's put him down. What the hell? Why is Bro move me like that? Are you gonna do something or what? What is he doing? What the hell? Are you eating the ground? What the frick? What is this? Okay. This okay, whatever. Bruh, $8? Frick you, bro. What? What shall I buy? Nothing. But this. That's rigged. That is triggered. Hello, Mr. Doggy. Here's your new friend, Black Dude, and your name's going to be Jonathan. Okay, whatever. Get that. I thought you just eating the cat food. No. What is this? Cat food? That's ew. Help. That's nothing. I'm gonna sell. Sell! I said sell! Okay. Out of my items? What I got? Oh my gosh. Noob? Noob done. What are you all eating? Thank you. Why do you have this terrain, bro? Like what? Who owns this dumb terrain thing? I think someone just bought it and just left it. Just abandoned it. Whatever. What the hell? Is that red dude? Whatever. Alright, my bro. Bruh. Chilly. Oh yeah. Dirt boy? Dirt boy. Wait. Is there a James? The Gert? What's the two Gerts? Gertie. Well, that's all for today. If you want to see more content, leave a like and bye bye. Mr. Apple!